The latest update is option entry portal link is out. So visit the KA website. There is an option entry link. Click it. Now there is 3 steps. First one login, second one verify OTP, third one face verify. In the first step to login, use the QR code given in the verification slip. Click start scan. Allow the camera access. Now there are 3 options to receive OTP from SMS, from WhatsApp, from email. Second option is through CET number. As earlier I said that in verification slip there is 9 numbers which called CET number, which is used in option entry login process. And select the option to receive the OTP. Below that write the caption and click send OTP. Now the second step of verifying OTP is done in the last step of face verification. I will suggest you to do in a laptop instead of phone because the chances of face verification error is more in phone, so please do in a laptop system. And you need to pay 750 rupees to do this option entry. And most importantly, I will suggest you to do this login process from tomorrow onwards for safer side of option entry. To get more tips and tricks like this, keep following my YouTube channel.